What's up, YouTube? Got Allen and Ginter 2011 baseball blaster box. 8 packs. Hoping to get some. There they are. You just hand them me after you're done. I'll show them the camera. Alright. Johnson mini. Let's see what this one got. Hoffman, Weeman, Brandon Belt rookie, Garcia, Matt Holiday. Sketches. Dallas Barton. Mini of Fugadome. Mini of the White House. And what do we got? Floating Fortresses. Insert. Got a Texas Rangers. Highlight sketches. A mini of Captain Charles Johnson. So we got, alright, black border of Juan Pierre. Mini. Hometown Hero Zimmerman. 33 packs. This one looks thicker. I know what this is. Gunner. Open the bottom one.
This is the only one that's really good.
Chippa Jones. Ichiro code. And there's your mini. Anderson. Awesome. A monkey. Alright. And oh, sick. Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao mini. It's a short print Ginter back. Then Bernard Ryman. Alright, peace.